Here today because I'm here to ask everyone for their full support. All right, all my TikTokers mainly, all I need from you guys is just your full support. All right, you know I'm here. I'm big on giving, I'm big on supporting, and I'm just big on supporting and giving. Charity is something that I've been doing for as long as I can remember. This was something I was born into. This is something, it was just born and bred in me. You know, I was raised in a family that are givers and were well off to the point of providing for others. And so I was raised within those boundaries of just giving, and I know nothing else. As most of y'all know, I have my event every year, but this year moving forward, I want to dedicate it completely. It's always dedicated to charity in some form, but I want to dedicate it to charity. Y'all know I come out of my pocket a lot for everything, for all the good that I do. And I'm like, why not just, every now and again have an event and have people support in order to continue to aid the things that I do. And, just a small part of what I do, and also to pull people together, in a positive way. So hence, my fish fry is coming up, and I'm asking everybody, I want it to be the biggest one I've ever had, and year on fourth, the biggest event y'all will ever see. And knowing that it is going to a worthy cause. Now, the event will be in Brooklyn, New York. And it will be September 13th from 12 noon to 10 p.m. So I want everybody to come out early, have a good time, and you're going to see a few of your favorite TikTokers there because they're all coming out.